Today we're going to talk about how to properly lube your wand machine. Whether it's a packer, a shader, or a liner, we're going to explain how to do it properly. We're going to use a grease pack that comes with every machine. And you only want to lubricate your machine if it starts to become a little bit noisy. That's really the only reason to lubricate this machine. Otherwise it runs perfectly fine on a direct drive system. So when to do it, when to lubricate your machine, it's about every 150 hours of use. A good rule of thumb is if you tattoo every day with this machine, it's going to be about every 6 weeks that you'll want to do this. We're going to explain exactly how to do it properly, and that way you don't void your warranty. So here we go. So the first step is to grab your grease pack, with some scissors, precisely cut it open, kind of like a triangle, pyramid type of shape. Kind of allows you for a little bit of accuracy. So with this grease pack now open, you want to take off the grip. Simply unscrew it, and always with the machine on is when you want to put the lubrication in. So, okay, so to be precise, grab a Q-tip, the very wooden end, squeeze about a teardrop size of this grease on the very end of it, right there, okay? Then, again with the machine running, you want to precisely put that drop of lube right there on the drive bar, okay? With the machine running again, that'll allow it to circulate, the lubrication will get right there in the drive bar, and your machine, you'll notice it quiet down quite a bit. So you'll want to do this again, like I said, every 150 hours or every 4 to 6 weeks of use if you use it pretty much every day, if it's your daily driver. And then you just put the grip back on and you're ready to go. But I'm going to show you guys one more thing. After the third or fourth time of lubricating the machine, what you'll want to do, just to make sure the lubrication doesn't get anywhere near the motor, I'm going to show you a way to clean the inside of the chamber. Best way to take the backplate off is to take the grip off, unscrew the backplate, okay. And what you'll do is you'll notice on the inside, you'll see any excess grease that may have built up over the second, third, or fourth time that you've lubricated your machine. So it's a simple thing. So with the Q-tip, you're just going to gently go into the chamber and wipe any excess grease that you see off there. That'll always keep the machine nice and clean. So that's how you do it. And then to put the motor back in, very simple. Screw the back plate in all the way. Grip on. And you're ready to do some tattooing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, if you have any other questions relating to the wand and the lubrication instructions or any other questions in general, you can always email us, send us a DM, hit us up on Facebook. We'll get right back to you. And if you need more lube, these last a long time. Each one will last about 6 months or a year. But if you should need more, you can always go to the website and pick up a 3-pack. And thank you guys very much, and stay tuned for next time.